Open NAMEIT Rainbow Foil Photoshop template using File menu, or by pressing keyboard Ctrl+O for Windows or CMD+O for Mac. Double-click on the artwork layer thumbnail. Now replace the default rainbow foil print artwork with your own artwork. Save and close Illustrator and go back to Photoshop and wait the artwork to be updated. Wait for a few seconds until the artwork update. Now select all layer groups. From Layer Fly-Up menu, click on Quick Export as PNG. Now select the location you want to export the maps and close. In a few seconds, all the maps will be saved. Go to CLO3D. Add the rainbow foil setting file. Place the rainbow foil print graphic. Replace the maps with your own exported maps from Photoshop. Open the render window and press Interactive Render button to see the rainbow foil effect. Rainbow foil print is now ready to render.